Why do I need an alignment? That's a great question. If you've just gotten new tires, then you should definitely get an alignment on your car or truck, because when the new tires, you went from this much tread to this much tread, it makes a big difference on the way that the vehicle sits and handles, as well as if your vehicle is pulling to the left or to the right while you're trying to go straight, that could definitely indicate that you do need an alignment. If you just got a lift put on your truck or a lowering kit put on your car, then an alignment is most definitely needed to make sure that your wheels are sitting the way that they should on the road, or else you're going to get extreme uneven tire wear. If you do have uneven tire wear, it's most likely due to your alignment, or could have gone over several potholes in the road recently, hit a curb. I do it some, or you could have just worn out steering and suspension that's causing your alignment to not hold. So give us a call and we can do an alignment check for you, see where it's at as far as specification, and do adjustments that are necessary and or repairs that it might need. Give us a call, 831-899-2425. Thanks so much.